What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. We're almost at 200 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the support. If you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for future uploads. Today, I'm going to be talking to you guys about some brand new projects that I found just scrolling on Twitter. So make sure to stick around to the end of the video. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this video is financial advice. Always make sure to do your own research before purchasing anything. And let's get right into the video. Before I go over all the projects that I'm going to be talking to you guys about, just a quick tip: spend time on Twitter looking for projects, because that is the fastest way to find new projects. All of these projects I've found super early on, and just by scrolling by Twitter. I'm constantly on Twitter, just refreshing, looking through my feed. If you see anything interesting, click on it, follow them, turn on their notifications. Who knows, it could turn into something good. Try and get in their Discord early. That'll always help you as well. Try and get on their whitelist if you can, and just constantly keep your eye out for things that catch your eye. With that being said, the first project that I'm going to be talking to you guys about is called The Walking Dude. There's going to be 5,555 zombie doodles, they claim they are. And they posted this sneak peek about 2 days ago. They have a ton of interactions on it already, 7,000 likes, 4.3k retweets, which is pretty insane for like a day and a half, pretty much 2 days. And it's just a little hand that's twitching. There aren't too many fine details on this project as of yet because it's so early on, but they are going to be giving away OG roles to people who are creative, so make sure to try and interact with them. I'm sure fan art or something can catch their eye. Anything creative that you can think of, try and get on their OG role. And I think they're going to be opening up their Discord and more sneak peeks soon, so make sure to keep an eye out for that. Follow this project. I'll link them in the description. Turn on their notification bell and try and get in their Discord, get on the whitelist. The next project that I'm going to be talking about is called Crazillas. I came across this project the other night scrolling through Twitter. They currently have a private Discord at the moment, so make sure to follow them and turn on their notifications. I really like their art, super cute, super simple. You'll also be able to design your own Crayzilla, so you'll be able to color it in however you'd like. I'll pull up an article and show you guys that. So this project is trying to change the game. They're going to be allowing people to customize their own NFTs. You'll mint it. You'll get a couple different colored crayons to be able to color in your thing. So you'll get 5 crayons, a coloring page, and then that'll end up being your Crazilla. You'll be able to color it in however you'd like, which I really like the concept of this. Super simple, super cute art. Make sure to keep this project on your radar. Follow their Twitter, turn on their notifications, try and get in their Discord. Just be early to this project. And I'm sure if you're early enough, you'll be able to get on the whitelist, no problem. The next project that I want to talk to you guys about is called Pieces, or Pieces Digitals. This project looks super cool. I think this could possibly be the next NanoPass. They're doing pretty much the same thing that NanoPass has done, 5,555 pieces of different land pretty much, and their sneak peeks look pretty insane so far. They've got some really cool in-depth art. I like it a lot. This project already has an OpenSea page running. They're releasing 30 pieces of art. Each piece of art owned, you'll get a whitelist and possibly a free mint depending on which one it is. I'm not too sure which ones will guarantee you a free mint, but I know each of these will guarantee you a whitelist for their project. So make sure, if you guys see these going for cheap, try and scoop one up. I really like the artwork that they have going for these pieces of land so far though. They look really dope. Definitely something to keep an eye on. It's super early in this project. They still have to release some more pieces, so more and more people have been finding this project since I found it just a couple of hours ago, and people have been buying these up like crazy. So if you're able to find one of these for cheap, I highly recommend getting one. The next project that I want to talk to you guys about is called Feline Fiends. This project I came across on Twitter as well yesterday. They opened up their Discord yesterday, and I really like this artwork. It's like a vintage feel to it, but just super simple and cute artwork. Definitely something to keep an eye on. They're growing at a pretty exponential rate. The team is also fully doxed in their Discord. I'll show you guys around their Discord real quick. Here's a couple sneak peeks for you guys inside their Discord. I really like the vintage feel that these put off. Also, this artwork seems pretty original to me. Just a very good vibe around it all, and super cool artwork. Definitely something to keep on your radar. There's no information on their roadmap as of yet, or pre-sale or anything like that, but you can join their Discord. There's only about 7,000 in here so far, so it's still pretty early on to get their whitelist. In this channel you can find more information on the team. They're all fully doxed and they talk about themselves. Looks like a pretty cool team. Definitely something to keep on your radar. Make sure to follow their Twitter, get in their Discord, go for their whitelist. I could definitely see this project doing pretty well in the long run. The final project that I want to talk to you guys about is called Defy Friends. There's not too much information on this project as of yet, but their sneak peeks look really dope. Super cute, just 3D artwork. They've been putting out a lot of one-on-ones for multiple projects. I'll show you guys some more sneak peeks. Here's a little video. They made a little lemonade stand one, a little Waldo, and they made an Azuki. Also, they made a little kaiju. The detail on this is pretty insane and just super cute all around. Definitely follow this project, turn on their notifications, try and get in their Discord, and keep this one on your radar. If you guys want to find these projects earlier along with me, make sure to follow me on Twitter at 0x_dab. Turn on the notification bell. I'll also be doing some whitelist giveaways there, so don't miss out on those. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.